Before buying a coffee machine for your hair salon, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real buyers are definitely talking about how a good coffee machine can boost your customer satisfaction and keep them coming back.
Product number 1, Chefman Craft Brew Espresso Machine. First up is the Chefman Craft Brew Espresso Machine, priced at $99.99. It caught my eye with its sleek stainless black finish and powerful 15-bar pump. If you want cafe-quality espresso without the long cafe lines, this is worth a serious look. This machine features a built-in steam wand, allowing you to whip up lattes and cappuccinos right in your salon. The 1.5-liter water reservoir means you won't be constantly refilling it, keeping your guests caffeinated during their appointments. Plus, the customizable brewing options let you adjust the shot volume, so you can cater to every customer's preference. But here's the thing. Some users have mentioned that the steam wand can be a bit tricky to master. While it's great once you get the hang of it, it might take a bit of practice. Now, that said, if you're willing to invest a little time, the quality of coffee you can serve makes it totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want rich, quality espresso drinks at your salon. Skip this one if you're looking for something super simple that doesn't involve any learning curve. Overall, for the price, it's a solid investment in customer satisfaction. Now, if that potential learning curve bothered you, the next one on my list simplifies the process even more.
Product number 2, HBN Espresso Machine. Next, we've got the HBN Espresso Machine, which comes in at $64.99. It's compact, but packs a punch, perfect for smaller salons. If you want something that's easy to operate, yet still delivers quality coffee, this one's worth a look. This machine brews 2 to 4 cups, making it an ideal choice for quick coffee breaks between clients. The powerful 800-watt steam wand means you can create that creamy microfoam in just 40 seconds, perfect for latte art. The stainless steel construction not only looks good, but ensures durability, which is key in a busy salon environment. However, some reviews mentioned that it can struggle to maintain consistent temperature when making multiple drinks in a row. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily serving a couple of drinks at a time, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is great for you if you want a budget-friendly, compact option to serve your guests. Skip this one if you plan on serving larger groups frequently. For the price, it delivers good value without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility.
Product number 3, Aramson 20-bar Espresso Machine. The Aramson 20-bar Espresso Machine, priced at $149.99, is our next pick. This one really caught my attention with its high 20-bar pressure and touchscreen control. If you're looking for a machine that can handle various coffee styles effortlessly, this is a fantastic choice. It features a whopping 60-ounce removable water tank and a dual boiler system, which means it can brew and froth milk simultaneously. This is a huge time saver, especially during busy hours in your salon. The automatic milk frother takes the guesswork out of achieving that perfect foam for lattes and cappuccinos. However, some users found the touchscreen a bit sensitive, which could lead to accidental selections. But honestly, once you get used to it, the convenience outweighs that minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient, high-quality machine that does it all. Skip this one if you're intimidated by tech or prefer manual options. The investment pays off in speed and quality, making it worthwhile for busy salons. Now, if you're looking for something even more powerful, the next one might pique your interest.
Product number 4, Chefman Craft Brew Espresso Machine. Next up is another option from Chefman, the Craft Brew Espresso Machine, priced at $78. This model also features a built-in milk frother and offers a solid espresso experience without breaking the bank. If you want something reliable that still looks great, definitely keep this in mind. With its 1.5-liter reservoir, you can serve multiple clients without constant refills. It also allows you to brew single or double shots, giving your clients the flexibility they want, whether they're rushing to an appointment or looking to savor their drink. Plus, the easy-to-clean design helps keep your salon tidy. However, some users pointed out that it can take a little longer to brew than expected. But here's the thing, if you're not in a rush and can plan around a slightly longer brew time, the taste you get makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional machine that serves great coffee at an accessible price. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra-fast brewing speeds. It's a smart, economical choice that delivers quality. Now, if you're intrigued by larger capacity and advanced features, the final product might just be the answer.
Product number 5, Chefman Cafe Master Pro Espresso Machine, priced at $179.99. This one's more of an investment, but it's designed for serious coffee lovers. If you want to take your coffee service to the next level, you should check this out. With a capacity of 1.8 liters, this machine is perfect for larger salons. Its powerful 15-bar pump and built-in frother make it easy to whip up everything from espressos to creamy lattes. Plus, the internal cleaning function makes maintenance a breeze, which is a huge plus when you're busy. That said, some users mentioned it can take a bit of time to get the frothing just right. But I'll be real with you, if you're aiming to impress your clients with cafe-style drinks, this minor learning curve is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity machine that can handle a lot without sacrificing quality. Skip this if your salon has limited space or if you're just starting out. It's a fantastic option for elevating your coffee game and making a lasting impression. Now, let's recap what we've covered.
So, to wrap it up, we've looked at the Chefman Craft Brew, HBN Espresso Machine, Aramson 20-bar Espresso Machine, another Chefman Craft Brew, and the Chefman Cafe Master Pro. Each has its strengths, whether it's compactness, ease of use, or versatility. Ultimately, it comes down to what best fits your salon's needs. Make the right investment, and you'll see the difference in customer satisfaction and loyalty.